Yes, but, you know, first of all, Tina Fey's hairstyle there was a crime against her. She's a comedian, and
you try.
Nothing she said about her was even remotely funny.
Now, do you think that's why it was cut out? Because it wasn't funny?
No, I think
try it.
The real reason it was cut out was because it was broadcast.
Don't get camera shy.
The parent company of CBS and Noir is the Corporation for Public Broadcasting. The Corporation of Public Broadcasting is directly under the gun now from newly empowered and elected Republicans who want to pull all
you try it.
Well, look,
do it, buddy.
They want to pull all Republicans now because of the firing of Fox News on NPR. Want to pull public funding.
What they're really saying is that I'm responsible and Juan Williams is responsible for this edit because they're scared craziness that they're gonna get their money for.
I'm directly responsible for getting sliced and diced. Yes, and actually
do it.
Now though is look at
try it
and invite Tina Fey on the program to respond.
All right, Tina, or would you like?
Oh,
Oh, yourself out.
Right. Now, Holmes, do you buy? Poor Sarah Palin.
come on, do it.
Evil liberal.
Mr. Funny Pants.
What a shame that you have to live in a world where all the media is liberal and poor Sarah
Try it.
always a victim. It's so horrible. Look, they did the same thing to George Carlin. Look, I don't really get it.
Do it.
I wrote that in because it was very funny. But they did the same thing to George Carlin and honored him in the Mark Twain. They edited out one of his most famous routines, the 7 words you're not supposed to say on radio or television. This is not a political thing. It's just maybe an editing job.
Yay!
Of the Public Broadcasting Corporation that they're president about it. But why would they have done that? There's no doubt they're going to do that. That was one of the recommendations of the budget people. What you laugh and say, why?
Put the camera.
$1 billion a year on these people. So, but I think they
Well.
Of course you do. Of course you do.
Yay!
Monica, because she's brilliant.
Yay!
You knew that?
Oh, you gotta post that immediately. Post that now.